Nagkakilala kami sa coffee shop. Regular customer namin siya. Every Wednesday, 7 a.m., black coffee with cinnamon bun. Yan ang laging order niya. Di na ako nakapagtiis, tinanong ko kung bakit lagi siyang mag-isa. Ito daw kasi ang paboritong spot nila ng dati niyang asawa. Ang minsanang hello at hi, nauwi sa dinner after trabaho. Nung moment na nararamdaman kong nahuhulog na ako, lumayo ako. Inisip ko, pero na siyang anak at baka pastime lang niya ako. Biruin mo na kilala niya ako nung panahong inaalala niya ang asawa niyang yumao. Kala ko nga yun na yung hangganan ng aming kwento. Di na kasi siya nagpunta sa shop, yung upuang lagi niyang pwesto, lagi na ding blanco. Hanggang sa isang araw, pag out ko sa trabaho, nakita ko siya at sabi niya, tapos ka na bang mag-overthink kung seryoso ako sa iyo? Tinanong ko kung saan ba kami papunta. Kasi hindi ako sigurado. Sagot niya, di naman ako nagmamadali. Handa akong maghintay hanggang maging ready ka na manligaw ako. Di siya sumuko kahit minsan sa lahat ng sumpong at topak ko. Tinanong ko siya ng minsan kung bakit at ang tagun niya. Ikaw kasi ang bumuo sa kulang ng mundo ko. Ako si Layla at susubukan kong pagbigyan ng puso ko. Tama na ang dikta ng paligid. Oras na para sumaya ako. My love, masakit naman talaga kapag hindi mo kasi sure kung saan pupunta yung relationship ninyo. Especially when you know na yung susundan mo sa buhay niya has a big impact sa buong pagkatao niya. You don't even know if you can fill the shoes. Hindi mo alam kung kaya mong tapatan. Hindi mo alam kung kaya mo higitan. Hindi mo gusto pero na i-compare mo yung sarili mo. And when you're not sure, your go-to solution is to stop. Alam mo yun, parang minumute mo lahat. Parang for a second, you just want everything to pause. Gusto mo lang muna, wait lang. Di pa ako ready mag-decide. Di pa ako ready mag-isip. I don't know yet what to answer. I know I want this relationship, but I don't want the feeling that I am getting kung susubukan ko siya. It's too scary, it's too risky. It's too painful kapag nagkamali ako, so I have to take a pause. Some people won't wait for you to be ready. Kasi some people doesn't have the time to do so. And you being ready, you taking your time is for you. Para sa'yo yun eh. And some people won't understand that you are doing that for yourself. You are doing it not to hurt anyone, but you just wanna be sure. May mga taong hindi makakaintindi dyan. They will look at you as if you are selfish for only thinking about yourself, thinking about your own fear, thinking about your own pain. Kasi sa totoong buhay, my love, you cannot tell someone na teka lang, stay where you are, diyan ka lang, hintayin mo hanggang maging ready ako. Sa totoong buhay, it's not gonna happen. People are too greedy to be loved. Masyado silang uhaw. Mahalin, mabigyan ng atensyon. And when they want it now. So kung natakot ka, kasi baka panakip-butas ka lang, baka pastime ka lang, baka ikaw yung lever na pwede niyang hawakan para makamove on siya sa painful na nakaraan. I'm not gonna be a hypocrite and tell you that it is not true. Kasi it is partly true. Na you can be the key para maniwala siyang magmahal ulit. Maniwala siyang sumubok ulit. But come to think of it, my love, if you are taking a risk of letting this person in, that person is also taking a risk in loving you again. Hindi lang ikaw ang susugal sa pagmamahal. So is the other party. Sabi nga natin, ang relationship, it goes both ways. If meron kang kinatatakutan, if meron kang fear of being rejected, fear of being in pain, so is the other person on the line. Siya din merong ganon. Swerte ka, pinili nung taong yon na mag-get past sa fear na yon and try again. He has a long shot of being with someone again. With his age, with his status, with his kids, long shot na sa kanya makahanap ulit. Alam naman natin yan. Let's not be hypocrite. It's kind of hard to find someone who will accept you and everything that comes along with you. So when he told you that can you go out with me, nilagay niya na yung kalahati ng katawan niya at paa niya dun sa riles ng tren na baka sasagasa sa kanya. But he didn't mind. Kasi that is exactly what love is. Sometimes you don't even care anymore kung masasaktan ka along the way. You just wanna try. Kasi you owe it to yourself to try and make yourself happy. So if ngayon, pagbibigyan mo na yung sarili mo, ilalagay mo na sa likod lahat ng fears and apprehensions mo. And this time around, you are gonna say yes to the chance of being happy, then good for you. My love, in this world, we are all taking a risk. Whenever we enter a relationship, it doesn't even matter kung ilang taon yung karelasyon mo, kung yan ba ay mature na, isip bata, kung yan ba ay titulado o hindi, yan ba ay may magandang buhay o wala, it doesn't even matter. Lahat tayo susugal. Lahat tayo merong unknown future ahead of us. But that's the beauty and mystery of life that we all need to embrace. Na in this world, the only thing that's constant, say it with me, it's change. So go and take your risk. If this risk has a possibility to make you happy, go for it, my love. Kasi if there's one thing I believe is true, if it makes you happy, then it's worth the risk. Claro?